Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rolling admissions at UC Davis means the admissions committee reads files and makes decisions on a continual basis. Applicants are urged to apply and complete their files as early as possible, although individual decisions are not based on the date the application was received.
Take our lead.
Even if UCLA and Berkeley seem like reaches, you might still be able to attend a UC. The easiest UC schools to get into include UC Santa Cruz, UC Riverside, and UC Merced, all of which have acceptance rates over 50%.
Take our lead.
2.80 GPA. GPA requirement. However, UC Davis requires a minimum 2.80 GPA to be selected for admission, and many of our most popular programs may require a higher GPA. Strive to achieve your highest possible GPA in order to be most competitive.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.